I just wrapped up the last email on an incredibly productive day and the sun is still out, and this doesn't happen very often. So I am in the mood for a little bit of dilly-dallying. Now, if you're watching this video, I figure you know where I'm going. Honey, I am headed to the yarn store. But truth be told, I haven't shopped for yarn in person in quite a while. So my beloved Joanne, she is dead and gone. Rest in peace, girl. We always gonna miss you. And Hobby Lobby is dead to me, has been for a really long time. So all that leaves left is Michael's. Michael's and I never really hit our stride. Even when Joanne was still around, you would walk into a Michael's and it just felt really depressing, right? Like the lighting was super drab. I feel like the inventory was always so spotty. And what they did have didn't really align with the kind of things that I like to buy. But I'm in such a good mood today, I'm gonna give them another chance. So I did my Googles. I found 3 different Michael's that are nearby to me, and I'm gonna go check them all out and see if I can get that love and feeling. And I'm not doing it alone. We have a very special guest that's coming with us. So if you're excited to meet her, go ahead and hit that like button, grab a project, sit back, and come shopping with me. And who do we have here? Get in here. How you doing, Miss Jones? Y'all might have guessed, but yes, of course, I went and got my mother because I can't go anywhere without her. This is my emotional support mom, clearly. So we are headed to our first Michael's. We gotta give Michael's a try.
Maybe we could try it.
Maybe we can try again.
All right, off to our first Michael's. Here we go. We made it to our first Michael's. It's right there. Let's go shopping. Wishful thinking, yes, let's get a card. Are we gonna start at clearance?
Always.
That Bernat blanket granny cake thing that don't even really make grannies. $7. Should be $4. We have finally made it to the yarn. It only took us going through the whole rest of the store.
We didn't go through the whole rest of the store. How many people remember these on Grandma's table?
I do.
Sparkling sangria, you know I'm sparkling.
Sylvia kept them out, girl.
She cute.
That is cute. Oh, that's lovely.
It's $59.
What are you talking about? $59. This ain't Macy's.
Girl.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, is it for Christmas lights?
Yeah, they clip on so you can just take them down when you need to, and they don't
Well,
blow
you know me,
all
I'm
over.
bougie now, so I get somebody to come put my lights up.
You know what? We ain't all rolling like that.
Let's see what we got. A little polyester. Esther ain't never hurt nobody.
The black
I like
is
the
blacking.
color. The black is really nice. So I'm glad to see. So if you've been looking for posh chic, they have it. Looking a little picked over. This was always the issue with Michael's. You walk in and it's like nobody even reset it up at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Like, this is completely empty. What the heck?
It's been used and abused.
Oh.
Well, they have a blue.
Okay.
And
All
they
right,
have
sweetie cake.
Okay. Baby blanket together.
For sure, a baby blanket, absolutely. Okay, so we've got 75% acrylic, 25% nylon.
Baby, no get air in that.
Baby, no get air in that. Baby needs to breathe.
Yeah.
Can we maybe stop making 100% acrylic or 100% synthetic fiber blankets for babies?
Well, they're not supposed to because
It's a fire
it
hazard.
melts.
Yes, it's a fire hazard. So, what you find, girl?
So this is a big twist.
Okay.
Also. And this one is called color number 290.
What's the name of the yarn? It's called
Gray.
Gigi.
Where you see
The yarn is called Gigi. It says it on the front.
See the front.
Here's the
Or even
front.
the top. I like the colors that they added to the different yarns.
Okay,
Yeah,
gotta build.
sometimes you can't just go vanilla.
So we've made it to some of the loops and threads. I've never seen this before. So this is called Twist Love. Kind of like a pebbly feel to it. 100% cotton though, which is really nice for this time of year. Okay, so another issue with Michael's is that now that they're adding fabric, it's like they've started to condense the yarn section and not condensing like the seasonal or the other junk that nobody wants, which is like really frustrating. It's just, it's a mess. And I'm very curious if you are a sewer or a quilter or anything, are you having any luck?
We have no yarn in our bag.
There's no yarn in the basket yet.
We're trying.
I feared this would happen.
I think we're gonna have to go to the end.
Okay, lead the way, my dear.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that's definitely Michael's behavior. Look at that. It's a mess.
That's so sad.
I don't know. Why I feel like I'm about to get robbed in here.
Girl,
We gotta get out of here. Are we in an alleyway?
Is this the hood?
Are we in the hood? Oh no.
This the hood. I found something.
What'd you find?
This is heathered bamboo. It feels really nice. It's 204 yards for $8.
This should be like $5.99.
Yeah,
what are
this
we
is
doing?
a patent. You're doing it wrong. And I love your yarn, but I
Don't
don't
do
love
that.
it that
But don't do that no more.
Yeah, no.
Y'all ain't got no sales on the yarn today? Did we come on the wrong
Only-
day? I think Mom's face sums up this first Michaels. It's kind of a bust. But you know what? You can't have the expectation like, ooh, what's new, what's different, what's exciting here? Nothing. None of that. Sorry, Mom. Ready for Michaels number 2?
Yes.
Fingers crossed. And if the second one's really bad, maybe we'll go get some ice cream.
Oh, I was gonna say, because this calls for custom.
This one is in a slightly nicer neighborhood, so I'm hoping maybe it'll be better stocked. Maybe we'll see an employee or two.
We're gonna try. It's the jewelry area. I usually stop in here.
Oh, they got a lot more stuff up. It's these prices that are killing me. $17.99, $11.99.
$54 for a piece of leather.
My flabbers are gasted at these prices.
All the flappers are
Truly,
nasty.
it's
I'm like,
that is the part that is
look at
taking me
this,
out.
like,
We haven't made it quite to the yarn just yet, but we have made it to the books. And I found a book that I've never seen before. It's called CIY, so crochet it yourself. And I was flipping through it a little bit. I was like, oh, this stuff is kind of cute.
her.
That one is
Fun.
nice.
Both of them are fun.
Mm-hmm.
The
like
book
that one too.
out, no patterns.
Oh,
Patterns.
of course, yes. We will
This
not
is
show the
no.
pattern. You have to get the book. We
Right.
respect authors around
Miss
here.
Emma Wright.
Miss Emma Wright.
Nice
Congratulations
book.
on having your
Yes.
book in Michaels. It's
Yes.
gorgeous. Well done. Though I'm still a little bit frustrated that they still don't carry Tunisian Crochet Handbook. Because honestly, Michaels, why not? Because I'm pretty sure some of these books is actually looking a little dusty. So I'm sure if you had a couple copies of Tunisian Crochet Handbook, you might be able to move a book or two. All right, they got the yarn tucked back in the corner.
I mean, the corner.
In the corner.
It's past the bathroom. They do have some colors of 24/7 cotton.
Okay, yes, we gets down with the 24/7 cotton.
They have this in a few more colors. This green is not bad.
Oh, that green is pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's $10.
$10 a skein? Was that how much it was at the other
I
one?
don't even know.
But I mean, either way, it ain't worth $9.99.
No.
Let's be honest.
Not
It's just
for-
not. I'm sorry.
No.
This feels like Bliss is actually pretty nice.
What is that?
Feels okay. No? Oh, Mom. Oh, Mom. You're not good at this.
So this is $8.99 at 100 grams. If you're making a sweater, 9 times 5, $45.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of money.
For that yarn, 100% nylon? I don't think that's worth it.
That's just too much.
That's rough. It's like if you don't get the house brands,
Yeah,
you're
you
gonna be
don't get-
paying a premium. And that's the issue, right?
I want to come in the store and I want to be inspired. Like I'm finding that there's no inspiration in the stores like this. They don't even have the little free handouts that they used.
Yeah, they used to have the little
They have a
hangy
whole
things
section.
for
Yep.
like to get the patterns and stuff, and they don't got those either.
I'm glad I never threw any of the ones away that I collected.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So the cart has this so far.
Look at how sad this is. We've gone down an entire aisle of yarn, and this is all we have.
All.
What'd you
Think
find, Mom?
This cart $3 a piece.
This is Loops and Threads, Silky Soft. Looks to be a 100% rayon from bamboo. It does feel really, really nice.
I love the colors, very neutral.
Mm-hmm.
And on my way to Australia, I'll be crocheting this up. If it's the $3 that it says it is.
His normal price is $7.99.
I love this green though.
Found Found some big twists. Yeah, I like that.
So I would definitely get this and then every other row in.
Mm-hmm. You know what? I feel like I could make something happen with this. This is giving inspired.
Yeah, I'm gonna get those.
Okay.
Just leave the store with nothing each time.
I know. I finally found the one thing that I have been looking for inside this Michaels. It's this gold glitter metallic thread. I was gonna get it from the other store, but when I took it up to the front, it was ringing up $6.99. So back here it says it's $4.99. So have something for the cart, my lady.
Yes.
Finally, some yarn.
Yes.
We were concerned that we would get up to the front and the price would not be the price, right? I'm scanning on the self-scanner, which I hate anyway. You know, getting rid of people's jobs to make you check out your own stuff at the craft store. Wild. And it's coming up $6.99 just like it did at the other store. Yes. So we go over to the gal, Melinda. We're like, hey, this is not scanning right. First thing out of Melinda's mouth, oh, they must not have changed the tag yet, which means that the price of these are going up from $4.99 to $6.99. Let me explain something to y'all. There's 100 yards of metallic fiber in here, zero weight, lace weight, some of the lightest yarn you can get, and you're about to charge $6.99?
$7 because they won't give you a penny.
That is absolutely ridiculous. I got my 3 threads and that's all I really needed for Michael. So kind of the thread I feel like is between these two stores is like the discoverability is not there, right? Like the seeing a yarn and you're like, ooh, I know exactly what I want to make with this. Aside from, you know, what you found, I'm starting to see why Michael's just never really had that spark. Yeah. But we're going to give it one more try. One to go. Here we go. We took the scenic route once more. Oh no, that's real. Oh, she's a cowboy, baby. Look at that. Oh, I like these bookings.
Yeah, I be like bottoms up.
That's adorable, high fashion.
Yes, ma'am.
Gorgeous.
Having a good time.
So cute, so versatile. But we have made it to the yarns. Looks like we're starting out with a lot of the same things. Big twist, baby bear. And the colors are so pretty. Look at this gray. And they've got black, white, pink, brown, just gorgeous. We'll say one thing that I noticed about this location. I feel like this is the most stocked location that we've been in of the 3, for sure. Actually, like this colorway. This is actually really pretty. That would be a nice fade. Where would you take the fade after that? Oh, I love that together. Pretty.
Miss Pretty.
Oh, I love those together.
Okay.
Hey, I love that kind of peacock color together. I think of the 3 locations, this one kind of has the most inspo for sure. Squishy.
It's 109
Wow.
rich blue.
Oh, wow.
The colors.
Secret Snuggles. That feels amazing. It's incredibly thick.
Sweet snuggles.
Sweet girl, what did I say?
Secret snuggles.
Girl, listen. Let's see what else we can find.
I think it's a great price.
Yes,
Vision.
absolutely it
$49.
is. Heartland,
like
know her, we love her.
Love
Green.
this. I like
That is definitely a dad color.
Yeah,
for
that
sure.
one.
That's really fun together.
Yeah.
Them's Tony colors all day, every day.
Yeah.
So we're 75% wool, 25% nylon. So perfect
Which
for
is,
socks.
yes.
This is Luxe Merino.
I'm sorry, I'm moving a little fast, but
The inspiration is flowing, girl. We gotta go with it.
oh,
That's lovely. Oh, they hiding the good stuff. Oh, that's a great deal.
this would be great for pumpkins. I like that.
I love that.
Pop, pop, pop.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Check. We like this very much, very much. I see you, Michael.
Okay.
I see you, Michael.
Oh,
Don't
and
you
they
get
got
the
the
inspiration
salad.
flowing? We scored.
We scored.
We did end up finding some pretty decent stuff.
Yeah.
What you
I got 7 of the loops and thread, and I got 4 big twists.
I love these. Are you gonna make me something with this?
Security.
Yes, no. So I got 3 of these, the metallic threads. I got some of the merino blend, the Luxe Merino. I got this lovely orange color. I got this tweedy sand color, and then I got the cream. And I thought those would look really, really lovely together.
So there were 3 different Michaels that we went to.
Let's be honest, the first one was bad. There was barely anything on the shelves. We didn't see one person who worked there the entire time. So that first one, we didn't have high hopes for, and they lived up to our expectation. Yeah, the second one got a bit better.
Yeah,
I think
we
we
got a bit
saw
better.
some different yarns
Yep,
there.
yep.
I think the prices feel high across the board.
Yeah.
I think that's just shopping these days.
Everything that's going on.
But I think this last Michaels is definitely, like, if I have to drive a little bit further to have an experience like this,
Yeah.
I'd be down for that. Overall, though,
Overall,
I think Michaels still has a little ways to go to
not
really
a little,
give that,
not
like,
a little. She's being polite. Ciao, bye.
Michaels has a ways to go before it can really kind of give that same sparkle like Joanne used to. And also Michaels in general feels more like an art store
Yeah.
than a craft store.
So we're just working with.
Just
what
looking
we
for a
have.
little bit of balance.
I know eventually we will not pine over
I know.
our lost girl.
But it still feels really recent.
It feels wrong.
We still miss you,
We
Joanne.
still- yeah,
We
it's-
still
it's
miss
a
you.
little-
But overall, I would say today was a success. Crushed it. Fabulous.
Like
And we
we
want to
always
know,
do.
if you've been into Michaels lately,
Yeah.
are you finding that you're feeling fulfilled, or are they still kind of missing the mark? Let us know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, if you liked hanging with us today, make sure you give us a sub. We hit 1 million subscribers.
1 million.
We love you so much. Thank you for hanging out with us and our kooky selves, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Auf Wiedersehen.